Another feature of the board is that I'm able to, when in PC interactivity, take a screen grab and have that screen grab go directly to a whiteboard page. So from here, if I'm on my PC, I can click on the camera button and I have a choice of the full screen or selected area. If I choose full screen, I'm going to get the full screen. If I choose selected area, it gives me a size that I then have the ability to change the size to a minimum. This is as small as it'll capture, and then I can drag that point to be whatever it is that I want to capture. I click the camera button, and it tells me that it's been sent to the whiteboard. And again, to access the whiteboard, right next to the camera button is the whiteboard, and I can push that button, and now I'm into the whiteboard, and I can see the screen grab. Sometimes, if you have your screen already set, your whiteboard set to the half a screen, you'll notice that the screen grab always goes straight to the center of the whiteboard. So from here, I would just have to click on it, and then drag it over. Now that I've got my screen grab, I can interact with it however I'd like. I can enlarge it, shrink it down, I can rotate it however I need. And I also have the ability here with the drop-down arrow. Once it's selected, the drop-down arrow will show up, and I can duplicate it, and now I have two of them. I can copy it to paste it somewhere else, or I can delete it and remove the screen grab once I'm finished with it.